Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a Rockstar game account. So first of all, type on Google Rockstar like this. Now select the first website. Now after you enter the official website, head over to the profile icon, click on it. After that, click on sign up. Now as you can see, now you can fill or enter your date of birth. Now enter the month. Now after that, enter the day. Now after that, fill the year. Now after that, click on next. Now as you can see, you need to check I have read and accepted the terms and conditions. Now click on next. After that, enter your email. Now check on I would like to receive news if you want it. If you don't want to receive news, just uncheck it. Now click on next. So as you can see, they show me that this nickname is already there. So I will enter some numbers. So they provide you some nicknames. I will choose like, or I prefer this nickname. Just click on next. So after that, go to your inbox. So after a while, you will receive this code for verification. Now just copy it and now paste it. Now click on submit. So after that, it shows you these steps. So you need to check all of this if it's correct or if it suits you. Now, if you all of this okay, just click on continue. And as you can see, now you are ready to use Rockstar games. So this is how to create Rockstar games. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.